It is a very important day today. It is starting of a new phase of this project. Looking back, I must admit that the road to reach this point has not been without obstacles. Challenges is the word I'm using. We have overcome most of them. And I would like to mention one. At a certain stage, we realized that we must change the weapon stations. And that is a huge undertaking. Normally it takes more than a year. We managed to do that in less than half a year. It's a tremendous achievement, and that is because we have excellent teams in our group and of the Ministry of Defense. So together we have managed this. Now we are entering into a new phase, as I said, where the production is going on. And when I'm talking of production, you see the facilities at Indop. And without the technology transfer and their preparedness to take that, they have in a very, very short time made what is more or less a miracle. What you have in front of you is a factory where they manufacture one of the best armored wheel vehicles in the world. And they do it in world class, top class, I would say. So thank you very much to Indop. Now we are entering a new phase. And the vehicles will be transferred via Ministry of Defense to the Army. And the Army will have a possibility to equip their new units with a vehicle which will give them a huge flexibility, a very high protection, a maneuverability on-road and off-road, and also extremely good firepower. This means that there will be a state-of-the-art unit which can participate in all missions they were asked to participate in. So I think that we have all reasons today, everybody, to be happy. I would say I'm very happy it is today, because, you know, tomorrow in Finland is Midsummer Night's Eve, and that is even more important than Christmas. So I wouldn't be here if it were tomorrow. So thank you very much. Well, we have had expert meeting, we have had international and national experts, and they have arranged, we have arranged together with MOD a seminar where we have, let's say, scrutinized this issue from all angles. And it has been sufficient for the acceptance of the vehicles.
Thank you.
Any more?
Just maybe one question. Are these weapon systems right now that are on from the Kronosberg, are they new or not?
They are new.
Totally new.
I have stated that many times. You know, in order to make this in a short time, we had to have an agreement with the Finnish Armed Forces. And there is a difference between the Finnish Armed Forces and a professional army. You know, that is a conscript army. And we are purchasing a lot of systems. Not all of them will be used for training purposes. So the others, they will be stored in a proper way, which means that they will not age. So in this case, the systems has been bought, come to Finland, and test shooted as always, and then they have been stored. So they are unused, in other words, they are new.
But actually they were used before. It was written how many hours they have already and how many times were they tested before and turned on and turned off. That can shorten their life cycle on.
And we have taken certain measures which make them more than new.